Yesu ayeta aborokubaye nyuma ataragenda.
And I want to look at the book of John,
Niko tutakulia kitabu cha Yohana
chapter 16 verses 33 only.
Ikomenesana ne mogo somembero ngetatu na isato yoka.
Can you read in your language?
Ndosome ase omonu oito. Ebwenze banga ayanabatebirye erinde munyare ko banomorembe imeyane. Asense na munyore mechando. Korende remimyoyo inchinabwire ensi.
The last words of comfort that Jesus left with his disciples.
I
want to leave these comfort words to Weaver and to the rest. Jesus walked with the disciples for quite a long time. And the disciples actually saw what he went through. They witnessed the problems that were there. They also went through them. But before he went, Jesus told his disciples, this world is painful, but I have overcome the world. This world is painful. I have told you how many have passed since I came here. And I come to you now that I have only one leg. My one leg had been left in Kisumu. But I thank God because I can walk and I can see you. This one has a lot of pain. Jesus knew that when he was going, there could be a lot of pains behind him. So he told his disciples, I am going. But this one is filled with pains. Is filled with troubles. Jesus became polite even though he got a lot of problems. He got a lot of problems. But he became polite in all manner of life. He would actually done other things. But he left those troubles so that his disciples could see. But they could also be cheerful about them. So Jesus went with his disciples and they saw a lot of problems. The world has a lot of pain. This time around, when you go to these bigger hospitals, they will tell you, oh, you are suffering from your kidneys. They won't take you to a washing period of the kidneys. They will either tell you, oh, your kidneys have done that and that. The world is filled up with problems. And these are the things that Jesus wanted to tell his disciples. I am going, but after me, there are so many diseases. Not only that, he knew that after he had gone, there is going to be a lot of hunger. There is going to be a lot of hunger. And I know, and I believe, that one Gorogoro here may be costing 170 or 140 or 150. Jesus knew that all this could come. And he told them, my brothers and sisters, I am going. But this one is filled up with pain. It is filled up with problems. But I am telling you, I have overcome the world. How did he overcome the world? He kept quiet. He became humble. He listened to everything. He did not react. In order that he could be an example to us. And today, my brothers, I have come to you. And maybe I will never come back. Maybe. But one thing I'm telling you, this world is filled up with pain.
you to stand firm.
nane ndage totende
I
boronge
want you to walk circumspectly.
ndage tota